Hey, what's up? It's Emma. Welcome back to my channel. I make lifestyle videos for the everyday babes, so if you wanted to subscribe and stick around and follow me on Instagram, that would be stellar. We are talking all things how to make healthy fall drinks from Starbucks, and I'm so excited because Starbucks makes the most delicious holiday drinks, but they are also very, very high in calories. And so what I like to do is make all of their drinks healthy and try to like hack my way to making them a little bit lower in calories and also just like lower in guilt, because I like to drink coffee every single day, but I don't want to have a dirty drink every single day. So I like to make the Starbucks drinks taste dirty, but they are clean. And that's just because coffee is a way of life for me, and that's something that I have multiple times a day, and I don't want it to be like unhealthy. So I made some healthy fall drinks. I got them right here, and we're just gonna jump right into it. I also got some fall treats because I haven't tried their pumpkin flavored treats before, and I thought this would be a great time to do so. I wrote down how to order everything and also the macros as close as I could get them. So let's do this. We are starting with my version of the pumpkin spice latte today. So this is a grande iced coffee with no classic syrup, but instead add 3 pumps of sugar-free vanilla, add 1 pump of pumpkin sauce, light cream, and pumpkin spice topping. It's not an iced latte, but I like to do iced coffees because it's less cream, less milk, and so you can obviously choose out which milk that you want, but because it's less milk and mostly coffee, you're getting that caffeine without all the added calories and sugar. And then if you're doing a hot drink, you could do an Americano. Okay, let's try it. Oh my god, what? Because it's 1 pump of pumpkin, you get that like almost chai fall spice flavor without all of the sugar and calories. Oh my god, you guys, like if you order anything already from this video, this has to be it. This is insane. Next we have a pumpkin spice Frappuccino, which honestly, this kind of recipe is the base for how to make any Frappuccino healthy. So if you take anything, if you don't like pumpkin spice, the base that I'm about to tell you is kind of how I make any Frappuccino healthy. So there's a little life hack for you. So this is a grande coffee light Frappuccino made with almond milk, 2 pumps of Frappuccino base because that has a little bit of sugar, 3 pumps of sugar-free vanilla, 1 pump of pumpkin sauce, and then the pumpkin toppings on top, and obviously no whipped cream, but if you want whipped cream, like go for it, life is short. Let's try it. That's so good. It does taste a little more like almond milk. So I taste the almond milk a lot. Obviously you can do whatever milk substitution you want, or just not that milk, whatever you want to do. But I do taste quite a bit of that almond milk. But it's great, it's really refreshing and still tastes just like fall. Here's the last Frappuccino. It's a salted caramel mocha Frappuccino, but I kind of goofed up and I forgot to add the skinny mocha in it. So I'll tell you what I meant to get, and then this is the mocha less version. So we'll see how it goes. See how it tastes. This is one of the first times I've ever messed up doing these kind of videos, but the line was really long and that's probably why I did that. So to order the salted mocha Frappuccino, you're gonna get a grande coffee light Frappuccino with almond milk. Ask for 2 pumps of the Frappuccino base, 3 pumps of sugar-free vanilla, 1 pump of toffee nut, and then 2 pumps of the skinny mocha. And if you want to get rid of the vanilla, that's fine because it's gonna be like pretty sweet, but I like it really sweet. And I always add sugar-free vanilla because it's got no calories. So again, I goofed up and this doesn't have the skinny mocha, so this is literally going to be salted caramel, so no mocha. So we'll see how that goes. Oh my god, it's so good. That's so good. That's DG. Damn good. All right, guys, those are all the drinks. They were flawless, stunning queens, and I'm ready for fall. I picked up some of the fall desserts that they have. I'm so excited about it. I haven't ever gotten like these treats, and so like, I'm just so ready for this. So this is like the bonus edition. I am not about to make these things healthy because there's no way. These are just like little dirty treat yourself moments, and I'm ready. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Okay, this is a pumpkin loaf. She's thick, she's cute, she's warm. Let's try this. I'm gonna like rip it off because I'm wearing lip gloss. Wow. pretty subtle in flavor. It tastes like banana bread with like cinnamon, like a lot of cinnamon. If you're not crazy about pumpkin, but they're out of banana bread, but you really wanted a loaf, you could get away with this. This next one is the pumpkin scone. Look at that detail. I had them warm them all up, by the way. It's like a lot more subtle in flavor than I would think that it would be. Although this one isn't as subtle as the loaf, but it's also more dry. That one was okay. I saved what I'm hoping will be the best for last. Yeah, this is the pumpkin cheesecake muffin, and I've been wanting to try this for years, but I never did. Look how cute she is. Okay, all right, we're gonna try her. I don't know why I keep giving them like pronouns, but it's fine. Okay. This is more of a cupcake, honestly. I feel like muffins, you can kind of get away with them being like healthy, like I'm eating a bran muffin. Healthy, not this one. All right, let me get these crumbs out of my freaking crotch. All right guys, that concludes my healthy Starbucks fall drink slash taste test because cravings. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you end up trying any of the drinks that I made or if you tried any of those treats. I would love to hear your thoughts. And if you enjoyed making them and drinking them, tag me on Instagram in your stories when you try them so we can chat about it and see what ranks best. All right guys, that's it for me and I will see you in the next video. Bye.